We've been graphing equations in slope-intercept form, so when you look at y equals -3, you may at first think that it's not in slope-intercept form, but it turns out it is. Y equals -3 is in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So when you look at y equals -3, you may wonder, where's the x? And it turns out we do sort of have an x in this equation. Y equals -3 can be written as y equals 0x plus -3, or y equals 0x minus 3. Those are both the same thing. So when we have an equation that is y equals, and it's just a constant and there's no x in it, what we're really saying is that we have a slope of 0. The slope of this line is 0. The y-intercept then is going to be -3. So we know the y-intercept, -3. We can go ahead and put that on the graph, -3. The problem asks us to state the slope and y-intercept, so let's do that. The y-intercept is 0, -3. But what's the slope? Well, if m is 0, that means the slope is 0. So what does a line look like with a slope of 0? One of the ways you can think about this is if the equation is y equals -3 and there is no x in the equation, it means that no matter what x is, y always equals -3. The y-intercept of 0, -3 means if x is 0, y is -3. What if x was 5? What would y be? Well, y is always -3, so we would have a point at 5, -3. Okay, what if x is -4? It doesn't matter. Y is always -3. So if x was -4, y would be -3. Y is always -3. And you can see with these points that we have here that a slope of 0 is going to make a horizontal line. Y is -3 no matter what. It can be a little confusing because the y-axis goes vertically. The y-axis goes up and down. So when we have an equation that is y equals, we think, oh, well, y equals -3, wouldn't that go up and down also? No, y equals is horizontal because no matter what the value of x is, the y value stays at the same spot on the y-axis, making a horizontal line.